Unlocking everyday English. Understanding in a Lurch. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of the English language, one phrase at a time. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might have heard in movies, read in books, or come across in everyday conversations, in a lurch. Have you ever wondered what it means and how to use it correctly? Well, you're in the right place, so let's get started. In a lurch is an idiom that dates back several centuries, and it's used to describe a situation where someone is left in a difficult position without help or assistance. Imagine being abandoned by friends in an unfamiliar city, or your work partner leaving you to finish a project alone. That's what being left in a lurch feels like. It often carries a sense of betrayal or abandonment. The origin of "in a lurch" is as interesting as its meaning. It's believed to have come from a 16th-century dice game called Lurch, where a player was left in a lurch if they were at a significant disadvantage. Over time, the phrase evolved into the idiom we use today, far beyond the realm of dice games. Now let's see how to use "in a lurch" in some sentences. When Mike called in sick last minute, he left the team in a lurch during the critical phase of the project. I wouldn't count on him. He's known for leaving people in a lurch. Her babysitter canceled at the last moment, leaving her in a lurch. Notice how in each case, the phrase conveys an inconvenient or problematic situation that someone has been left to deal with alone. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary and help you avoid repetition. Here are a few synonyms for "in a lurch": abandoned, stranded, in the cold, high and dry, deserted. Each of these can be used in different contexts, but they all share a similar underlying meaning. And there we have it. The next time you hear someone say they were left in a lurch, you'll know exactly what they mean. It's all about being left in a difficult situation without support. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase with confidence. Don't forget to practice, and soon you'll be speaking like a native. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep learning.